Um,
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good
Hiram,
afternoon.
it's morning time for you. Huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
yeah, fine. How are you?
I am also very good. How was
Good
your
afternoon,
exam in the
ma'am.
morning?
Ma'am, very
Ma'am,
good. And I got
very
very
good.
good.
You all must have got full marks, I'm sure.
Ma'am, I have also got full marks.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also.
Why, Hiram?
Ma'am, I also.
How many marks got cut? One. Okay. All right.
Ma'am, I also won.
Okay. One is okay.
Ma'am, I got
Fine.
full marks.
You got
Ma'am,
full
I
marks.
also got.
All
I
right.
have got 29 out of 30. Ma'am,
Oh, that is why you are so sad. Huh? That is why you don't have a happy face today.
yes, ma'am.
It's okay, Seth.
Ma'am, because he is ma'am studying in floor.
Studying in floor. What does that mean?
Ma'am, I study on floor, ma'am, because of my table. My table cannot kept on the bed.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I kept my
And he
table
is
on
sad.
bed, ma'am, my table can ma'am make hole on the bed.
All right. So it must be
Ma'am,
sharp.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that's why he is sad.
That's why he's sad. So how do you come to know that he's sitting on the floor?
Ma'am, he has trained us.
Well,
He told us. Okay. All right.
Ma'am, I said my father, ma'am, your 3,000 has wasted on
Why
table.
3,000 has wasted?
Ma'am, because ma'am, my table is of 3,000.
Show me your table. What kind of table are you using? That's of
Ma'am,
3,000.
I want to see.
Ma'am,
I
Yes,
want
we
to
all
see.
want to see. We all want to see.
ma'am, it's my laptop. No, I cannot.
Oh, you have a laptop on it. It must be
Yes,
a bed
ma'am.
table. It must be a bed table kind of a thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, even I keep my laptop on a bed table. And see, I'm sitting on my bed. Can you all see it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but it is so sharp.
It is so sharp. Okay.
Ma'am, we want to see.
Yes. Your
Ma'am, tomorrow I will use my father's phone. Ma'am,
it
In
was
the,
banned.
ma'am, but in the shops it is coming. Ma'am, coming.
Yeah, that is what. It shouldn't have arrived the shops only. Even I was saying the same thing, that it shouldn't have been allowed in the shops only. Yes, Iram, what do you want to
Ma'am,
say?
that's why people have got.
It was named that first when the government said that we have to ban the crackers, so there was a lot of issue of banning the crackers in shop. So the shopkeepers said that we are getting the crackers in rent, and if we will not sell them, then we will be in the rent of those peoples in which we have taken.
Yes, ma'am, there will
They
be.
would not be
their
able
loss.
to, yes, pay back the rents and all.
Ma'am, there will be their loss.
Yes, they had invested so much money of theirs on these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Iram.
but I have saved money. Ma'am, I saved money. Ma'am, I save money every year, and I bought.
Very good.
ma'am,
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 one
in
lakh
Noida,
saving.
ma'am,
in Noida, there are many policemen who are those. They all are checking whether any shopkeeper is selling crackers or not. But then also all the shopkeepers are selling crackers.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, they
now
all
also they are selling. Ma'am,
Okay.
now also they are selling.
Yes, now
Ma'am?
also they are being sold. Now let Iram speak. She wants to say something. Yes. You have something on your wall. What's that?
Ma'am,
That's
medal,
so
I think.
beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's a decoration piece.
Ma'am, where is
he has made.
She has made it herself.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's pretty. That's very beautiful. Iram, that's like you. So cute.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Dahlia
why is Lakshita so quiet? Lakshita, everybody is chit-chatting today. Why are you so quiet?
Ma'am,
Yes. Did you
Ma'am,
not
he is
celebrate
so
Diwali?
disciplined child.
Did
Ma'am,
you
he
not
is so
celebrate?
disciplined child.
Ma'am,
She's so
Disciplined
ma'am, I
child.
have celebrated.
you are disciplined.
Ma'am?
That's why you're not talking.
Ma'am, she is a disciplined child.
Okay, Utsav, talkative
Ma'am,
boy.
sir.
Let her also speak. Yes, Lakshita, what are you
I
saying?
have celebrated the Diwali and ma'am, I have pressed cracker of 90 rupees.
Very nice. Very good. So you contributed so much towards the environment. That's very nice.
Ma'am, I also. I burst only 100 rupees crackers.
Ma'am,
Oh.
but I bust crackers, but I plant trees more than.
Acha. So you compensated. Huh? You balanced your activity. Yes. Very intelligent.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, there will be no loss.
Yeah.
ma'am, उससे
Ma'am,
save,
ma'am,
save rupees,
ma'am,
ma'am,
can-
ma'am, taking
Ma'am,
only
can I say?
6,000, 8,000 rupees
Ma'am, can I
crackers.
tell?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
on
my
Choti
saving.
Ma'am, on Choti Diwali, I make diyas and color them. I make diyas of atta, and on Diwali, I burn them.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. So you all described your Diwali break very well. Very good. Now let's describe our excursions.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready to begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, today we will read chapter or do revision.
We are going to do revision today. Last time also we did revision or we read?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
revision.
revision. Ma'am, revision.
Ma'am,
So you want to read today?
No,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in the chat box. Ma'am,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
to write in the chat box.
You have to type in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, that
reading.
day I have got 17 score. Ma'am,
Yes,
first time.
yes, I remember. I remember. You answered it so well. Now today. Yes, Iram,
Ma'am,
what
I
are you
know-
saying?
Ma'am, only privately we have to do.
Yes, you have to do it only privately. Okay, today I am going to ask you questions in which you might have to take a little help of your books because you might not remember all of those things. Like, for example, name the trees that are grown in the northern mountain region. So, do you remember all the names of the trees?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? If you don't remember, you can take the help of your book also. So, question number
Okay,
1
ma'am.
is, name the trees that are grown in the northern mountain region. Let me see who answers it.
Ma'am, please wait first. I do privately. Ma'am, what is the question? Please tell it again.
Trees that are grown in the northern mountain regions. Now, this is a long answer type question because they have given the answer in the hilly regions of the northern mountains and in the lower regions of the northern mountains. So you have to include both of them. Name the trees grown in the northern mountain region. Now let me see who answers it first.
Ma'am, I have have sent the answer.
No. I told you to answer it separately for the hilly regions and for the lower regions. You have named all the trees together.
Ma'am, given.
Okay, so I have answers from Utsav, Jayesh, Lakshita, again Utsav, Iram.
Ma'am,
Wait,
ma'am, because one time I have also, ma'am, deleted the message, but ma'am, I have also the first now.
okay. Hilly regions, we have trees like
Ma'am, please wait. I am typing.
lower regions, we have trees like Utsav can be a typist when he grows big. His typing speed is so good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Iram Naz, you have typed. Beta, you've typed a long answer, but it is not correct. Okay, now I'll speak out the answer, children. Please make a
Ma'am, please wait.
correction.
I am typing answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done. Please check.
Okay. In hilly regions, there are trees such as apple, oranges, and pears. No, beta. Now see, everybody, listen to it carefully. In the hilly regions of northern mountains, we have trees like pine, larch, and spruce in the hilly regions. And in the lower regions, we have trees such as deodar, chir, pine, medicinal plants, and orchids. Okay, so there are students who have not typed the correct answer. You have named the fruits that are found. You don't have to name the fruits that are found. You have to name the trees that we have in the lower and in the higher regions of the northern mountains. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Iram, you have named the trees of Uttarakhand. You have only named the trees of Uttarakhand. See, I tell you where you have given the answer from. You have given the answer from this one, page number 93. Right? This is for Uttarakhand that you have answered. Now the answer of this question is on page number 77 in the northern mountain regions. Now you understood what mistake you made? Iram, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, my question was name the trees that are grown in the northern mountain region. Now the next question is name the trees that are grown in the northern plains. Now everybody is going to type the correct answer. Name the trees found in the northern plains area, northern plains region.
I'm given.
Good, good. I'll check. Very nice.
Ma'am, given.
Very good. Very nice. So I have
The first
answers from Utsav, Jayesh, Iramnaz, Anshuman. And
Ma'am?
Jayesh, beta, your answer is a little
answer.
Lakshita. Yes, Lakshita. Oh, Lakshita has sent it before Utsav. Lakshita comes first. Yes. People, banyan, neem, shisham, and eucalyptus are the trees that are found in the northern plain region. People, banyan, neem, shisham, and eucalyptus. Again, Jayesh, the spelling of people is not correct.
Ma'am, so who is the first? Ma'am,
Oh,
Lakshita.
Lakshita is the first. Lakshita comes first. All right. The next question is, what all grows? Now you have to include the plants, the vegetation, everything. Okay. What all grows in the desert region?
Ma'am, what we have to include in this answer?
You have to include the kind of trees that are found, the kind of plants, and the vegetation.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell the next question.
I have told what kind of trees, vegetation, and plants are found in the desert region. Again, Lakshita is the first one to answer. Utsav is in a big shock that what is happening today. Utsav, what happened to your fingers, huh? Somebody else is the fastest typist, huh, today?
No, ma'am, I will take my place again.
Oh my God. After Lakshita, we have Anshuman with this answer.
Ma'am, one time I stopped because.
Why? Why did you stop? Okay. So first one is Lakshita, then it's Anshuman, and then it's Utsav, and then it's Iram Naz. Very nice. So what all grows? We have cotton oil seeds, millets, and cactus and acacia. That grows here. I tell you why, Utsav, you took so long. You could have just named the trees, named the vegetation, because you included the line that the vegetation growing here includes cactus and acacia. You included such a big line. The rest of the students have just used the names. So that is also correct. Very good. Now the next one is, just wait, the next one. Okay. Name all the rivers that are found in the Peninsular Plateau region. Name all the rivers that flow through the Peninsular Plateau region.
Ma'am, I have typed.
I have now, yes. Now the first one is Utsav, second is Iram Naz, third is Lakshita. But Lakshita, only 3 rivers, beta. No.
Ma'am, I have taken my place again.
So all the rivers that flow in this area are Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Godavari, Tapi, and Narmada. Varin, where is your answer? Kushagra, Varin, Ashwik. It's okay. You have to type. Yes.
I was disconnected.
You were disconnected. One was typing. Jayesh, beta, your answer is not correct. You have just named the rivers that flow from east to west. I didn't ask you the direction. I only asked the rivers that flow through the Peninsular Plateau region. Varin, only 3 rivers. Beta, there are 5 rivers. No, there are 6 rivers. Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Godavari, and Tapi and Narmada. You have to name all the rivers that flow in this region. Can I move to the next question?
Yes,
Everyone has sent me this answer, or somebody is still typing? Okay. The next question is, Which states lie in the Peninsular Plateau region? Name all the states of the Peninsular Plateau region.
Name all the states. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please repeat the question.
Name all the states of the Peninsular Plateau region. Where is Dev Arya today? Dev Arya, are you there? Why are you so quiet? Dev Arya is not here. He has just logged in.
I am here.
Then why are you not speaking today?
Ma'am,
And
I have written the
where is Saif Ali?
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am,
Saif
I
Ali,
also.
what
Ma'am,
to
who is
answer?
the first one to answer?
No, where are your previous answers? Have you just logged in? Have you entered the class
Yes,
late?
Ma'am, because of some technical network issue, I was disconnected.
And where is Saif Ali? He has run away from his class. Saif Ali was there in the beginning, now he is not there. Okay. Let me see, let me check. Okay, it was Dev Arya to answer first. Then it was Jayesh. Then it was Iram Naz. Then it was Utsav.
Ma'am, I have taken so much time.
Yes, you took so much time. Lakshita.
Ma'am, I have written the first.
Yes, you were the first one. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana. These are the states of Varin Goyal. What is this answer? Varin Goyal?
Ma'am, what he has written?
बेटा कौन सी स्टेट्स बत बोली थी और कौन सी स्टेट्स नेम करी आपने?
Ma'am, now they are coming long answers, so I am taking time.
Varin beta, these are the states of which area? The coastal area. That too of the western side. Okay, you got confused. You were supposed to name the states of the peninsular region. See, these are the states of peninsular region. I'll type and send. Okay, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Telangana. Okay, Varin? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The next question is, now name the states of the western side of the western coastal plains. Name the states of the western side of the western coastal plains.
Ma'am, give an answer.
3 states. Utsav has given 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Utsav is the first one. Jayesh, you missed one state. Dev Arya is the second one. Iram Naz, third. Varin, I am waiting for your answer. Kushagra, Anshuman, Ashvik. Beta, where are all your answers?
Ma'am, they are not attending the class.
They're not attending, but their names are there. Anshuman, Ashvik, are you not there?
Ma'am, their video are also.
Ma'am, I am there.
Then where is your answer, beta? Anshuman. Varin. Anshuman and Varin. Your answer is not correct.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Beta, you are supposed to name the states that lie on the western side of the western coastal plain. Don't mix the states that lie on the eastern side. Only the states that lie on the western side. Okay, Varin? You have
ma'am.
mixed all the states.
Western states are Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, and
No,
Maharashtra.
not Karnataka. Sorry, yes, Karnataka. Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, and Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
But you have written Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. They are on the eastern side,
Eastern.
Ma'am,
right?
I have 3 points.
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है उल्टा कर दिया.
In order to be quick, in order to come first, you are typing wrong answers. Right, Varin? Just to win this game. But your answers should be correct. You all are winners. No matter, typing is no criteria. Answering correct is the only criteria.
Yes.
Yes? Then, the next question is,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
the next question is, name 3 perennial rivers. Name 3 perennial rivers.
Ma'am, who is first?
Name 3 perennial rivers. My God, so many. See, the first one to give the correct answer. Children, Indus is a perennial river. Indus.
Yes, ma'am.
River Indus is a perennial river.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, who is the first one?
Wait, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, Indus, Ganga, and Yamuna are perennial rivers.
All right. So the correct answer that I get is, okay, Narmada is also a perennial river. Yes, Narmada is also a perennial river. Dev Arya is the first one to answer. Ashwik.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Narmada is not a perennial river.
Narmada is not a perennial river.
Yes,
Narmada is a perennial river. Everybody,
No,
each one of you, just Google it. It is a perennial river. Is it not?
Name all the perennial rivers. Name all the perennial rivers.
Ma'am, it is there.
Ma'am, it is there.
Ma'am, it is there. It is there.
Yes, ma'am. Narmada is a perennial river. Ma'am, but in the book it is written that Narmada
Yes.
and Tapi
Now
are
see.
not.
When
Perennial.
we Google it, even I have Googled it, they are showing that Tapi and Narmada are perennial rivers. But in our book, it is written that Narmada and Tapi are non-perennial rivers. Getting me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Narmada, they are telling that it's a perennial river. Tapi is a perennial river. Now, what we'll do is we will go by the book. Since it is in your book, every student will follow the book. Okay?
Because Google sometimes ma'am tell the wrong answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, that I can't say.
Ma'am sometimes
Ma'am, sometimes it gives us incorrect or incomplete information.
Yes. There are 10 perennial rivers in India, most of them in the north. They are Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra, Narmada.
Yes, ma'am. Computer.
Yes, Google is telling this. Okay, let's leave it behind. Let's just include Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, and Indus. Okay? In the perennial rivers. Fine? Now, everybody name non-perennial rivers. Name any two non-perennial rivers. The class is